Brave Soul Award, and Artistic Hands Award. Imanjali Gonya Luna, with honors. He will also receive Eager Beaver Award and Determined Kid Award. Jaira Sumalino, with honors. She will also receive the following awards: Happy Helper Award, Great Giver Award. Alessa Olivia Ornado Montilla, with honors. She will also receive the following awards: Kinder Buddy Award and Golden Heart Award. Jace Bryce Mahilan Mendoza, with honors. He will also receive the following awards: Peace Keeper Award and Gorgeous Kid Award. Maureen A. Hugo Sangados, with honors. She will also receive the following awards: Budding Mathematician and Prudent Worker Award. Victoria Abigail Navarra Arshada, with high honors. She will also receive the following awards: Collaborative Kid Award and Partner Award. Gabriel Ortigosa Mayor, with high honors. She will also receive the following awards: Star Reader Award, Good Communicator Award, Little Teacher Award, Collaborative Kid Award, and Extra Minor Award. May I request all the kindergarten clears to please stand? Once again, congratulations, and let's give them a round of applause, please.
Congratulations once more to our graduates and completers, and to the proud parents as well. At this juncture, we would like to give this certificate of appreciation. So please allow me to read the citation. Certificate of appreciation is hereby awarded to Krummer's family for their steadfast support and generosity as one of the sponsors of the 21st commencement ceremonies of 3H Redwood International School Incorporation. Presented this in the 5th day of April 2025 at 3H Redwood International School, Bata, Princesa, Cebu City, Philippines. Signed, Dr. Dominic G. Pelayo, School President. and Dr. Ivy G. Pelayo, Vice President, Academic Affairs and Finance.
Saka, kuan yan.
May
mga
school.
award.
Okay, birthday ni Party. Plus one.